Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is the review of The Big Time by Raquel Welch in the color RL5/27, also known as Ginger Brown. I'm going to do a video of multiple Raquel Welch True to Life Fiber Ginger Browns kind of compared. So this isn't going to be so much about the color, though it does look really cool on this wig and does a great job of showcasing the texture, which is why I selected it. Before I do anything, let me go ahead and do a 360 so you can see what Big Time by Raquel Welch looks like on all sides. I like the texture of this wig a lot. I like the way that it's cut. I also love the way that the True to Life fiber sort of does its magic up here at the top. In case you've never heard my little spiel about True to Life fiber or any Futura fiber that, you know, is heat-friendly synthetic, they tend to clump. You know, it's just they're a little bit more elastic. They don't discharge static energy very well, so you end up with a lot of static buildup and they kind of clump at the bottom. That's what this hair tends to do. And so this stuff really gets the benefit on top of having that beautiful sort of elastic fiber that kind of gathers at the bottoms as this fiber tends to do. Now, one thing that you'll need to know, because I just told you all of this stuff, is that this hair here will do the exact same thing, and it will do so more rapidly. It will clump at the bottoms, and it will always look a little bit piecey. It will never look, you know, like completely uniform hair. It will always look like it's had some kind of styling product applied to it. So if you don't like that kind of look, or you want something that's a little bit less, you know, styled looking, you'll want to get something in a traditional Canical synthetic and not one of these True to Life heat-friendly wigs. I think that this looks great on. The lace front is really well done. It kind of goes from here to here. And it's always that lighter color. If there's a highlight in the Raquel Welch line, they'll put that highlight right near the face. This one has a beautiful shoulder length to it, with all this great layering. I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off so I can show you the cap construction. Now, because this one's heat friendly, you can put a curl in it. You can also straighten it out if you want it to be completely straight and not flare out at the bottoms. So they get a little bit more styling versatility with this fiber. Just make sure that your styling instruments don't go above 350 degrees. But you can see here we have a hand-tied monofilament top with a contoured, pre-cut, transparent lace front that's cut kind of across in a very smooth line, very nicely done, finished there. We have open wefts on the side, and in the back with a fair amount of hair. You can see there's not a whole lot of space between all these tracks, so there's quite a bit of hair on this one. And then you get these really nice felt ear tabs. This wig does stretch a little bit, but not a whole lot, because it is a monofilament top wig, and that monofilament tends to be kind of a rigid cap feature. You don't really want it stretching too much. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this one back on. So hopefully I've explained what this one will do with wear for you, and how you can work that to your advantage as long as you take care of the bottoms and the nape on this one. Those are going to be your problem spots. But this one's really cute. It has a lot of styling versatility. You get a lot of options with something that's made of this fiber. So it's definitely worth checking out as long as you have a backup that is not a heat-friendly wig. I don't recommend just getting one heat-friendly wig if your heat-friendly wig is going to be your go-to style. You'll want a backup so you can switch them out, because this fiber can be very temperamental and frankly kind of hard to work with if you're not used to it. So I'm Heather. I'm full of all kinds of nerdy wig knowledge. I'm kind of like a walking encyclopedia of hair at this point. So chat me up and leave a comment in the comment section of this video, and we will be very happy to have a conversation with you. And you know, subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, have a great night, everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.